Hi guys, this is Amanda from EDU 620, and basically I'm going to discuss or share with you the website that we're using currently. So in DeKalb, we use It's Learning, and of course, like we've been trained on it vaguely. But so this is my first time actually kind of using this, so this is going to be interesting. So basically, I went to my It's Learning account, and of course, it shows all of my the classes that I teach. We just recently had to upload a virtual learning activity from the days from the snow or ice storm. So I was like, you know what? Let me use this as my learning platform. So here goes. So basically, all I did was uploaded my website um, into my It's Learning account. So here's my website. Here's my link. So um, and all I did was use my Weebly account. Here's my home page. And so I have different tabs, but the one that my students will use is a student task. So when we click here, so it's called a fourth grade fraction quest. And so basically, over the course of the week, my students will be identifying fractions, identifying equivalent fractions, decomposing them, and adding and subtracting fractions. So on day one, they're going to be identifying the fractions and, of course, the vocabulary words that go along with the unit or the lessons for the week. So they're going to click on Evernote, and within Evernote, it lists all of their vocabulary words that they have to define, and as well as provide an example of each within their notes. And they will use their math practice books or no workbooks to complete this activity. So next, when we go back for day two, that's going to be their Evernote account. I'm sorry. Then for day one, they're going to click Intro to Fractions. And basically, this is a Nearpod activity where it brings up their Brain Pop videos that they're going to watch. And from their Brain Pop videos, they're going to complete the videos. They've got 3 videos to complete, as well as an open-ended response. They've got a collaborative response, as well as a poll at the end, just to kind of gauge like what they've learned or what they took from the lesson. All right, so after they complete that activity in Nearpod, they're going to, of course, we're going to close out the lesson as we typically would in our closing. For day two, we have equivalent fractions. They're going to log into Nearpod, of course, with equivalent fractions. And equivalent fractions is another Brain Pop video. And within this, they're going to watch this video, and of course go through with our daily lesson, our work period, and our closing. For day three, we are decomposing fractions. So of course we've got the anchor charts in our opening. When we go into our work period, they will be, of course, another Nearpod activity. As you guys can see, where they are decomposing fractions. And of course, with this one, at the end of all of my Nearpod activities, I either choose an open-ended response, a poll, or collaborative response. My students and I as well enjoy the collaborative responses because it almost gives them the feel as if they are on like a social media type website where they're able to like their peers' responses, as well as they can comment. So moving on to day three, still after they decompose the fractions and we complete our task, Their exit ticket is to go to log into GoFormative, which is our next tab. And from GoFormative, they're going to just pretty much go through the 2 questions where it's asking them about numerator, denominator, just identifying a fraction, as well as review equivalent fractions. From there, we're going to go to day 4. For day 4's activities, they're going to be adding and subtracting fractions. And of course, my Nearpod, stick with Nearpod because it's convenient and easy for me to use as well as my students. And they've gotten in the habit so far for using Nearpod. They know, typically when they come in, there's a code on the board. And so, when it's time after the opening, when it's time for laptops, then they automatically go get their Chromebooks, log into Nearpod, put their headphones in, and go ahead and start watching the videos that's selected for them to watch. The closing activity for day 4 is going to be an exit ticket for Flipgrid. This I really enjoy. Flipgrid they enjoy using because it allows them to record themselves, see themselves. Again, they can comment and like their peers' responses, but just kind of seeing themselves on the main screen, and they're giggling, and after they get the giggles out, they are definitely they do a very good job recording themselves. So our Flipgrid is pretty much I'll pause the video, but this is just pretty much where I'm giving them their instruction for their exit ticket, and then they have to respond using a video response of what 3 things that they learned from this day's lesson. And that is it. That's what I have so far. I do kind of, I guess, need to go back and work out some kinks that I saw as I was opening up the links. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to read your responses, get the feedback, and make my project even better. So thanks, guys.